Hello YouTube. This is Jonathan coming with another sneaker unboxing. This shoe I've held since, I want to say 2020. Yeah, since 2020 I got this. This is a 2019 release. Onto the shoe. And yes, it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pair of Jordan 1s. As you can see, these are the Royal Toes. Like I said earlier, released in 2019. I've had them in ice since 2020. So they've been chilling for about 3 years now. Shoe is super nice. I caught before the Air Jordan 1 hype, especially the low top hype, which people don't know about, but these shoes nowadays run you north of $300, especially brand new. They could even fetch you 4 papers, so yeah, kudos to me for seeing the future, and grateful from the Lord above to still be here. As you can see, dead stock. Got the size tag in there, which is 9.5. Let me pop this out. Authentic. I don't play with no fugazis. My motto is, if I can't afford the resale, then they're not for me. Fortunately, I copped these around retail price. Like I said, during that time, there was no hype on these. You know, these were fresh out, so I copped and decided to hold for the long term. These are my personal size, so if the day of tomorrow I want to wear them, I have the luxury to do so. If I want to sell them, then I can also sell them, come up with a profit, and buy more shoes. What do you guys think of it? I personally think this is a nice cop. You can't go wrong with the royal blue colorway at all. So let me know in the comments below. Would you cop? Would you drop? Do you have a pair? Do you want a pair? I just sold, I think it was last month, the, what was it? The Court Purples, but like the ones that had the suede. I got the shattered backboards of that version, which was also, I believe, 2019. So, yep. A lot of the ones from 2019, 2018, low tops are shooting for over $250 in price. So if you're looking for your pair, grab it today before they continue going up. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I got more content in the near future. Got way more shoes to showcase. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel.